I've millions of little skills and little tricks and tips and blah, 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 and I'm willing to share them all. So essentially there's a couple of things going on. So I'm playing the, basically where we started. Without the stick, you've got your groove, all right? That's your groove, that's your pendulum. There's no point in learning any roll, any riff, even the hand stuff unless you have that. That's why in the class I spend ages doing this. You have to have that and you have to be able to rely on it and go, that's going to do that, now I can pay attention to this. And then you're into different notes. But that is a must. You have to be able to play along with a record, play along with someone and back it up. And then you can start moving your left hand up and down to get the high note, the low notes, high notes, the low notes, and that. You know, you can start doing interesting things. And then, so you're onto a stick, doing the same thing, high notes, the low notes, the high notes, the low notes. And then you think, all right, snap. But the whole time you can go back to that. So if you do a mistake, you've still got that going on. Do you know what I mean? Now I used to use my feet a lot more, I suppose because I used to be standing all the time, still am sometimes, but the feet keep you in. So if you try something fancy, like that's loads of the long low, and back in. You know, sometimes you can play against yourself, but your feet to keep you in. That'd be like a short roll, it'd be like, oh, wait a minute, I'll do it again. So, see, that's how you come back in because I'm out, where is it? There. It's on my right foot. So that's how you get in. It's the same kind of trick I use, or technique, I have to change the words. Technique when I'm singing, I'll mark a beat. So, but you'll always come back, you know where the start of your thing is. You can do anything in between as long as those two things happen at the same time and you can sing any verse you want, you can go over there while you're at it, but that'll happen again. So that's what I mean, there's no point in learning any of that unless you get that going on. So it's just hours and hours of that, and then you start doing your doubles or your fancy roll, or you get out of that roll the guitarists always get caught out with, you know, and it's just a plectrum's a different machine, you know. So, yeah, the doubles helps an awful lot. It's really excruciatingly awkward to do it at first, to go ba 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 ba, and the swing in is on the second beat, so it's da da and da da and da 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 da. Eventually, by dinner time, it starts doing it itself, and then you turn that double, that's the idea, into what you had with this. So I can fly, the idea is, so I could go off, follow it, there, right, that's going to do it, right, so I can fly off, do something else now, but my body should make that happen again.